Super powerful driving, real driving experience. That is what Quina 2.4G simulation remote-controlled excavator can do. 15 brand new passages, simulation appearance, exquisite and cool, amazing muscular strength, and easy to control. The 680-degree rotating table can perfectly return users a real experience. Effective power trails can let users experience the pleasure of driving on the smooth ground. .4G remote-controlled frequency, super long remote-controlled distance. Quina simulation remote-controlled excavator brings you real experience and endless fun.